Hello everyone, my name is Boy. I'm from Thailand. Today I'm so thankful to have this opportunity to share my story with all of you. I grew up in Buddhist country and I am a second born. My parents took care of me and gave me all good things that I need, as much as they can. Due to that condition, I lived my life comfortably and did what I want. So it made me to live without considering anyone. When I was 13 years old, my father and my mother got divorced. I faced a lot of difficulties. I lived with my mom, and she tried to take care of me by giving me money and took me to the extra tutorial class. That time my heart was still empty. From that point on, in order to overcome those difficulties by myself, I tried my best to get a good job. So I studied so hard to enter to the best university in Thailand. That time I thought that it could be happy. However, I failed my goal. So a lot of sorrow and disappointment came into my mind, and I don't know what to do. Fortunately, my sister, who had known IYF through GNC program, invited me to join World Camp and GNC training program. In 2015, I decided to be a volunteer in Rwanda. But the first week, I really want to go back to Thailand because I felt so uncomfortable with new environment and communication in English. So I just want to give up. However, I expressed my heart in order to get fellowship. That time, my heart was healed and I felt free from all difficulties. When I look back, I'm really thankful for everything that I have learned in Rwanda. Because when I look at my life in Thailand, I just live as I want only. But during my life in Rwanda, I could overcome many challenges and difficulties. Now I can clearly see how God changed me to grow up heartily and spiritually for the better life. Currently, I am a senior student in Faculty of Law and working as a staff of IYF as well. But I really believe that God is going to make me to be the best lawyer through the mindset that I have learned in IYF.